Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Malesh, and I'm here on behalf of Luna Cycle. Before I start, our app deals with period management or mensuration. Still quite a taboo topic in India where women are not comfortable meeting a gynaec. And we did a market research survey before launching the app where we received a lot of interesting feedback from women, including they're not comfortable discussing about their periods with any random person or even sometimes with their doctor. They look for advice on the periods only from their very close friends, from parents, from elders, and so on. So with all this feedback incorporated, we, Zero Sum, along with MTI Japan, our partner, came up with launching a customized period management app for only India. This is for an India-specific period management app. So as I go on, a small brief introduction. Zero Sum, we are a Japanese company based out of Kyoto with a subsidiary in Bangalore. We've been to various businesses including digital comics, navigation, and testing. And even last year we were here with our Comics on the Go, which won the best app award in the entertainment category. And this year we're in the women category. Our partner from Japan, MTI. MTI is a pioneer in the women health care applications. So they have been enabling women to take care of their health from since 10 years. They've been present in with a feature phone app more than 11 years ago. They launched their Luna, the counterpart of Luna Cycle, around 4 years ago. They have over 6 million users worldwide. That is in Japan, Taiwan, China, and Philippines, I think Thailand, and around 1.5 million paid users as well. The MTI is present in various other businesses as well, which you can see on the slide. In the interest of time, I'll continue. Why Luna Cycle? Well, what we found out when we spoke to a lot of women in most of the metros in India was that currently they're not even aware that they could enable technology to help them manage their periods. Most of them are there to note down their dates in a tracker or in a diary or on a piece of paper. So with mobile technology, you can offset. So we definitely can't take the burden of mensuration, but we hope with Luna Cycle, we can enable or empower women to take more control of their lives. And that's the key idea of Luna Cycle, which I will share with you. And with the expertise of MTI in that area, we have launched Luna Cycle for the Indian market. These are some of the common worries that most women came up with, that when will I have my next period? When will be the best chance of becoming pregnant? What's my ovulation cycle? And interesting, even that I don't want to get pregnant. So using those queries, Luna Cycle tries to offset that, where with all the functions that we provide, we can help women have more better understanding of their bodies, take control of their health, plan their health lives better, empower them to track their periods, calculate the average length of their menstruation and ovulation cycles, project fertility, mark their birth control or contraceptive, and of course aid in improving health, because we have an engine which gives them we give them feedback on what they are experiencing during a certain stage of their menstruation or their ovulation, which I'll talk about during the presentation. So the primary two functions of Luna Cycle is, of course, period management and ovulation. So the period management lets you track your next 4 to 5 menstruation dates based on the inputs you're given. We use an algorithm that MTI has developed with its experience in Japan, and the calendar shows you, because it's a merge of both the menstruation and the ovulation. The calendar also shows you the best day for becoming pregnant if the act of intercourse has happened on a certain day. Whether that will lead to a higher successful pregnancy or not is also possible to view on the app. What we've done we've done a lot of customization for the India. The Japanese version of the app is very advanced. We've simplified it. We've come up with a very easy to use UI for the Indian audience, and everything on a calendar-based function, which I'll take you through. Another very unique feature we have is the physical condition information. So based on the exact date of the ovulation or the menstruation cycle, the users can know about their skin condition, the effective diet they need to take, the beauty, or physical condition. For example, there it's written something about the skin, that during the certain date they are facing some problem with the skin. So a lot of women might be worried, but since we have that information with us, we show them that this is normal. Some people might come up with problems like cramps. We tell them that this is common, with an increase of flow, decrease of flow. All this information is fed to the user under those respective terms. This is the calendar format. Someone who wants to check it in a calendar format so that they can sync it with their phones for their calendars, you can mark where it shows you clearly where your periods is going to start, periods going to end, the ovulation start time, ovulation end date, the most fertile date, least fertile date. You can mark the dates on which you had intercourse, you mark the dates where you've had pills so that you don't get surprised suddenly. And it also helps you keep track of your weight, your body temperature, your body fat percentage. All of this can be fed into the app, and in relation with all the other functions, this can be mapped. It's available in a graphic format as well, so we can be incorporating a share feature where you can print and download this data and share with your doctor if needed. We have a privacy alert where you can set your own password so that other users don't have access. We're also looking at incorporating a share function where you've received a specific tip on beauty and you want to share it with your friends. You can share that socially. Only that, not anything else. And we are available on both the key platforms, and we are looking at also developing for the Windows platform. We've received a lot of publicity. We've been featured in Deccan Chronicle, The Hindu, and recently even the Mint. We've received great ratings on both the iOS and the Android platforms, and within 5 months, we've received around 4,500. That's 4.5 lakh downloads, and we hit 1 lakh downloads within the first 1 month. Scaling. Any app to sustain has to have some kind of monetization. The app is free at the moment, but how are we to monetize? With our experience in the Indian market, we know that monetization is very difficult. So only certain functions we're going to use as monetization, whereas we're looking at monetizing through partners, not through the end user. So the first form of monetization, we're going to have in-app branding. So here, for example, we just yesterday we closed a deal with one of the leading Japanese sanitary napkin provider. So we will be integrating their banner onto the site where the user is routed. The users using this app can be routed to their Facebook page or their social page, and then the user that they have acquired, they can take control, whether they want them to route them to an e-store or whether they want them to take feedback and so on. We could also have that with the alert function that your periods are coming up in the next 2, 3 or 4 dates. You can route it to their e-commerce store where they can actually order for the next month's or 2's supply. Similarly, there's a lot of scope for integrating with health supplement companies, with cosmetic companies, where we're giving them tips on their beauty and so on. The recommendations will actually take them to the relevant partner. And of course, the last key main function that we're looking at incorporating as a paid function is contacting a doctor. So even though the app is self-enabled in many ways, there are specific functions where you feel comfortable to talking to a doctor. We're going to add a doctor function through subscription, where with a certain amount of subscription money paid every month, every user can ask a certain set of questions to the doctors. We're currently in the process of tying up with some leading hospitals and gynecologists for giving us a full-time doctor who can do this. And we're also ideating on the mechanisms of whether it can be through email or through SMS or through phone and so on. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.